them the in this way where people can look on. Cause the thing beat, clap it again. Brrr, the whole place. What we say Aguana now? Alright, so get rid of this one. Get rid of this one early. Hey guys, smash a thumbs up button as soon as you join. Feel free to drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Hey, yo, Yazzie, what's good? Arizona. Nice, nice. Welcome, man. Alright, guys, as soon as you join, smash a thumbs up button, guys. You don't know what I'm going already. Feel free. Ask any question, keep it civil, you don't know. Yeah. You making music? Nah, man. This is my my YouTube studio as well as my gaming studio as well, you know, so that's all, bro. Hey, yo, Rebel 101, what's popping? What's good? What's good? Welcome, y'all. Welcome, guys. I know it's been a while. Tomorrow, we're gonna be streaming some bicep workout and chest tomorrow. Remember to smash that thumbs up button. What do you play? Play sim drifting. Like I said, the course. I played play Warzone as well. Play Battlefield. I don't know. Nowadays, bro, I barely even get free time nowadays to play. You know. Yeah, yeah. Yo, Elvis, what's good, man? Alright, guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, alright? Yeah, man. How you guys holiday going so far? Or let's say the season. Bro, it's been raining out here like 3 weeks straight. to get myself some beat. See if I can freestyle something. Anyone in the chat understand Jamaican Creole English? Get this together. Well, I got anyone watching right now from Brazil? Anyone watching from Canada? Appreciate y'all tapping in. Everyone tapping in. Remember, hit that thumbs up button as soon as you tap in. Got Josie feeling today for some reason, man. Drowsy roadie. I think I'm gonna edit something right now. You see the vibes, you see the humbleness that we are talking about, eh? Strictly moonshine and turn it up, turn it up. Make sure so you turn it up. Let me say, right? He's open, stand for me, that's it. Yeah, chat, smash a thumbs up button, guys. Hit that like button, man. I never give up, never give up. We're gonna have to update this thing real soon. Pum, pum. I have to copy this one, put it right here. Which one we gonna work with right now, man? So everyone watching right now, we're here editing a video. Yeah, feel free to drop a comment, man. Smash a thumbs up button. Yo, Ellie23, what's good? What's poppin'? Welcome to the live, man. Alright, guys, remember to smash that thumbs up button, guys, as soon as you join. So we're here chilling, editing a video today. I'm gonna drop a beat. Let me drop a beat in the background. Huh? Wait, it didn't. Like what? There we go. I mean, your eyes open, can't smell it. Stand firm in yourself. Never give up. Eyes open, stand firm in yourself. Okay, alright. What we got here in the background here? Alright, we'll drop that one then. I may say rise up, stand firm in yourself. Never give up, never give up. Alright, let me see. Should we gotta refresh? Let's refresh the memory. Gotta refresh the memory here. Made that beat? No, no. This is a YouTube beat. From a YouTube playlist. So I'm currently editing some shorts here. Going to rap. I can't rap, bro. To be honest, I can't rap. Probably can do a freestyle though. Yo, Mike, it was good. Run it back again. Now we say you don't mind if you try. You'll never see me coming. You will never see me coming. Come on, we got to run it back again. I mean, I'm not really a DJ, bro, but let's run that back again. Hey, yo, Ellie, all right, man. Appreciate it. Take care. Let's get it. You want to join in? Smash that thumbs up button, bro. Let's get it, man.
the sound of death and in fear. My energy is next level, so can you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he's after straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Come on, what we got here? Right? Nothing more? Hey, yo, Stu, what's good? What's poppin'? What's poppin', Stu? Alright, everyone is joining. We're here just currently chilling, editing some videos. Appreciate y'all tapping in, man. Remember to hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to drop a comment, let me know how your season's going. Hope everyone is doing well. Me say it don't mind if you try. You will never see me coming. Oh yeah, fam. How we doing, chat? Bro, the weather out here is chilly, but kind of feeling hot for some reason right now, man. All right. You will never see me coming. Nice and warm in Grenada. Oh, you're from Grenada again. Okay. Oh, bro. So you're not too far away then. That Caribbean vibe. That Caribbean vibe, man. So always the what's the weather there like? Is it raining? Bro, it's been raining here for the like a few weeks now. And you will never see me coming. You will never see me coming. Oh, shower. Okay, okay. I may say don't mind if you go for the number one. I think this is it right here. Okay, check it out real quick. It is. Alright, this is it right here. That's it right there.
I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning is here. The sound of death and in fear.
Ratty? What's Ratty? Is it the push-up challenge thing? Oh, what? What's that? Oh, food. Okay. I don't think I know that type of food. What's Ratty? Ratty over there. What type of food is that? It don't mind if you try. You will never see me coming. Oh, jerk pork. Okay, man. Hell yeah, bro. Love jerk pork. Love jerk chicken as well. And you already know we got a lot of that out here in Jamaica, man. So definitely. Most Sundays I will like brown stew it, the pork with rice and peas. And if it's not the brown stew, we'll definitely get that jerk, and we're good to go. Smash that thumbs up, hit that like button, let's get it. that thing? Where that thing, man? Oh, here we go. Let's get this money. Everyone checking in. We're currently editing some videos here, man. Just chilling today, you know? Yeah. Feel free to drop a comment, smash a thumbs up button, let me know where you're watching from. Appreciate you all, man. Yeah. Hey, yo, what's good? CTV Furious, what's good? Oh, here we go. Is it bum ba ba da ba dum da bum ba da ba dum dum? Yo, what am I going on? Alright, so how long you gonna make that one there though? How long we gonna make that one right there? Smash a thumbs up button. Drop a comment, man. Let me know where you're watching from, man. What's popping? Is that Red Up Buying? What's good? South Africa. Awesome. Good stuff. Welcome. Appreciate. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. I realize the YouTube now got gifts like TikTok. They now got gifts on YouTube like TikTok. I don't know if you guys see that. So we got super chat, we got gifts. That's actually huge right now, man. That's huge. Fire beat. Drop it again. I have to drop it again. Let's get it. Alright, we need one more. One more to go. This one I know. Go back to the other one. Let's go. You will never see me going. You will never see me coming.
the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. My energy is next level, so then you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he's halfway straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. So
Oh, yeah. Really, what's up going on, man? Thanks, yeah, for that. You will never see me coming. Let me say, you will never see me coming. Oh, yeah. Let me say, oh, yeah. Oh, we just find it. We just find it, man. Okay, basically run that back again, back and forth, back and forth. It's supposed to be alright now. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right. This is too much though. I feel some start a little too long so. All right. That's all right. Perfect. Perfect. Then we can export that now. Yeah, see the vibes, I see the.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I've never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in.
Okay, let's step into the future. All right, 2 more likes and 10. Smash a thumbs up button. 2 more for 10 yeah. no more beat. Alright, probably so call it right as it is.